Hi guys, welcome back. Today we'll show you how to hard reset your Alcatel One. This operation can be helpful if you doesn't remember the password to your phone or that the software doesn't work properly. So first of all, we need the power of the device. Okay, it's already turned off. And now press and hold the volume up and power button together. 1, 2. Press and hold both key, release power button after phone vibrate, still holding volume up. And we are in the secret menu. From we gonna choice wipe cache partition accept by power. Volume down to choice. And wipe data factory reset. Yes. And now we need to reboot system now by pressing power. And phone gonna be start with the new software without any password and passcode on your phone and with the new fresh software. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can tap sub, subscribe my channel and see you by next video. Hey!